Claim, crashed Australian rocket had ISRO engine? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A viral claim on social media alleged that the Ares rocket, Australia's first orbital rocket which crashed shortly after launch on 30th July 2025, was powered by an engine manufactured by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. The rocket was manufactured by Gilmer Space Technologies, but the claim implies that the crash was due to an Indian-made engine. An X account by the handle Tactical Tribune shared this, claiming that the Australia satellite launched failed 14 seconds after takeoff and the rocket had an ISRO-made engine. Find the post here. Similar claims have been made in other social media channels, with some blaming the Modi government for the failure. Check the screenshot below. Fact check. Truth, misleading. There is no credible evidence to support this claim, and the official press release says that the rocket was built entirely by Gilmer Space Technologies. Fact check details. DigitEye India investigated the claim and searched for evidence to clarify the facts surrounding the incident. The first ever Australian orbit rocket was launched on 30th July 2025, but there are no credible sources to prove that it had an ISRO-made engine. Find the launch video uploaded by BBC News here. However, there were no official reports or announcements by ISRO pertaining to any collaboration with Gilmer Space Technologies. The Ares rocket, developed by Gilmer Space Technologies, marked Australia's first orbital launch attempt in over 50 years. Launched from the Bowen Orbital Spaceport in Queensland, the 23-meter rocket lifted off successfully but crashed back to Earth after 14 seconds. Despite the failure, Gilmer Space Technologies highlighted the launch as a milestone, noting that the rocket's 4 hybrid-propelled engines ignited for 23 seconds, providing critical data for future missions. The Australia Today highlights this strong result in their tweet, which can be found here. Moreover, we came across statements from Gilmer Space Technologies, including remarks by CEO Adam Gilmer, emphasized the rocket's indigenous development and made no reference to foreign components, let alone ISRO. Thus, the assertion that the Ares rocket contained an ISRO-made engine is false, with no supporting evidence from credible sources or official statements. The rocket was a fully Australian endeavour and there has been no collaboration with ISRO. Claim, the first ever Australian-made orbital rocket, Ares, which crashed in 14 seconds, was using an engine delivered by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organisation. Conclusion, misleading. There is no credible evidence to support this claim, and the official press release says that the rocket was built entirely by Gilmer Space Technologies. Rating, misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiteye.in. Subscribe to our channel, DigitEye India.